Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to create a countdown timer within PowerPoint. I'm going to begin with a blank PowerPoint document. In the upper toolbar, I'm going to click on Insert, and then click on Get Add-ins. From here, I'm going to search for an add-in called Break Time, and click Search. And once I've found it, I'm going to click Add. Once the timer's been added, you can see the nodes where we can manipulate it, move it, place it where we need to. The options at the bottom are to start, stop, or reset the timer. You can adjust the amount of time that your timer is for. The last option in the lower bar with the menu is to change the background of your timer based on the label that I wanted to use. I wanted to say it was time for drinks, and start. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.